Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a quick March reveal for the Scrappy Fox shop. I've got a whole stack of new releases over here and a few that I did release kind of later in the month last month that you didn't get to see a video on, so I'm going to show those. And then I've got another stack over here of previous subscription foils that I'm going to be listing in the shop, as well as just one. There is one left of the birthday mystery. So, and there's no foil, it's just the kit itself. So I will talk about that in just a second. But first, I'm going to start off with this month's freebies so that you can see what is going on for the TPC sale freebie stuff. So this month's theme for TPC is barbecue and picnic. So here is the $20 freebie, which is all of the deco for this kit, and it's super, super cute. Then there's a full kit here, which you can tier your way up to all 4 pages. Here are your full boxes. And then look at that washi. Is that not just so stinking cute? On the East Coast, this is a pretty common barbecue. We used to do that all the time. Every summer we would have a lobster barbecue. Then third page and fourth page. So you can tier your way up to all of those. They will all be listed on the TPC sales site and on the Facebook page. So if you're not a part of our Facebook group, if you go on there, you'll see all the freebie stuff. Next, I'm going to go over this little stack right here. This little stack is some of the new Cocoa and Fluffs and some other stuff. So I needed some pastel phones. I make a lot of phone calls and I like to put them in my planner if it's something important that I need to keep track of. And I wanted some spring colors. So this is like the pastel phones. So that is up in the shop. Then we've got some new Cocoa and Fluffs. Some of these I did come out with last month, but I didn't get to show them on video. So you get to see them again. Pizza. So here's beer and pizza cocoa. Here is Fluff Loves Fraps. Snuggle Times. This is a little family Cocoa and Fluff. Then you've got Nuggies. So your KFC, your McDo's. That's what my son used to call McDonald's. Are we going to McDo's? So obviously what that is. Then got a work fluff, which is so cute. She's got her little frap, her books, and her planner, and then she's at her desk. This one, I needed some mail trucks, and so I drew some, even though I buy them all the time from all of my favorite shops. I needed some more. Then we've got the mail. So there's 5 different, not mail, weather. I saw the mail truck, weather. So these are the weather Cocoa and Fluffs. Then these 2 coming up here were requests from one of my PR girls, Kara, and she's also my very good friend. She's on her new year, new me kind of healthy kick, which I'm so very proud of her for. But she wanted a gym one. So this is Coco going to the gym. He's got his gym bag and his hydro flask. And then she wanted one for kind of like meal prep healthy eating. So I did Fluff with her salad and her water. Then we've got, for the TPC sale, we've got Barbecue King. So he's got Barbecue King on his little apron. Coco's barbecuing. We've got the one that I'm missing is there's a picnic one too. There's Fluff has a picnic. She's carrying a picnic basket and watermelon, and I don't know why I didn't print it and bring it over here, but it's not here. Then we've got planner playtime, so Fluff with her planner, and then we've got Coco needs coffee. So this is Coco with his coffee. So those are the new quarter sheets that are out. Then I'm going to show you this really fast. So we've got, this is the kit that's available. This one is one and only one is going to go up in the shop. This one will not be part of the discount. It should probably be gone long before this sale because I've already had people messaging me asking if I had extras. But just to let you know, I do every once in a while I have extras left over. So I do have just the one, no foil. It's going to go up in the shop. No discount for that one because it's already discounted. It's going to be the normal price of what a non-foiled subscription would be. Then you've got all of these. So there's, you can go on the website and look. They'll be under the foil section. Actually, no, I'll probably just put them in the new releases so that you know where to find them. They'll be super easy to find. But these are a variety of the foils from all Disney related, all old themed. So some of them are like, this is the self-love one. So this is the January. This one, January. We've got both gold and silver available. I made a lot of extras. I'm not really sure why I did, but I did. And then this one was the Disney Dogs one. So there's a few of that. And then this one is the Simply Meant to Be, and we've got gold and 1 silver of Simply Meant to Be. So there's those, and those will be discounted. So those will go up and be discounted so that you guys can pick up whatever you need. Now onto the kits. We're going to start with springtime. So I'm going to set this kind of off to the side so we can just look at each one. This one I did do a monthly, so I'll get to the monthly in the back, but this is a springtime kit and it's just very spring, very pastel. You can also use this for St. Patrick's Day because there is like some little St. Patrick's Day kind of elements with the little 4-leaf clovers here and there and stuff, but really not a ton of it that screams St. Patrick's Day, but it's very spring pastel and beautiful. Look at this washi. How awesome would that washi be with foil over the top? Anyway, here's your extra box and your washi page. So this is the lineup for all of them. All of my now, the deluxe kits all come with 8 pages printed on unicorn paper, but these are also available as printables. So if you have the ability to do it and you want to just print out your own, they're all available as printables as well. And the printables come with all 10 pages. So the 2 extras that you have to add on in the shop are a part of the printable. Deco little things and quarter boxes, functional, more functional page. You get a lot of stuff in these kits, and I do that on purpose. I want you to have options, and don't be afraid to like pull these into other spreads, because you know a lot of this stuff is just like, I have a whole thing where I just keep my extras, and if I need to pull in boxes on kits where it's maybe like a mini kit, and then I pull from my extras. Here's your TPC add-on, and then your tall boxes, double box, and 2 extra regular boxes. Then this is the monthly, so here is the sidebar page. You've got these come with your days of the week, your bill dues, your numbers. So remember, this is the monthly, obviously, and then your 2 full. So either side page of your planner. Really, really pretty. Very, very pretty. I'm actually going to use this one. I have one printed, cut, and set aside for myself. So there is springtime. Next up, I'm going to show you one that came out last month, but it was a huge hit and I didn't get to show it on the channel. So I'm going to show it now. This one is Under the Sea. These ones just make me smile. It's so bright and so cute. These guys are just so stinking adorable. Look at this washi. Is that not adorable? This would be perfect just for a fun anytime kit or a kid's birthday. It's just stinking adorable. And the colors just are very summery, bright, pretty. If you love like underwater stuff, be a good one for if you were going to like SeaWorld or something. This would be a great kit for that. TPC and the extra add-on page. Seize the day, vitamin C, life is better under the sea. Just some cute little extra boxes. So there is Under the Sea. Next is my favorite kit. Came out last month, huge hit. Lots of people bought this kit, but I didn't get to show it on the channel, so I'm going to show it now. I did show it in the March lineup because this is a kit that I'll be using in my lineup. Of course, I had to. This one's called Brains. So bright. This is such a fun kit. This one was a labor of love. I had to go searching far and wide for a lot of the stuff that's in this kit. But it was all things that I had to have. I really, really wanted. And so I went looking for them. How stinking cute is this? It's the TPC page. And then look at the add-on page. This is my favorite right here. I love this. The only way you're going to get to him is somebody that can launch up or shoot up in the sky. And this is just so stinking cute. Yes, I still play this game. And I love it. Next is my robot. So this one came out last month, but story behind this one, as I'm flipping through it, is my son was a part of the Eagle Robotics team 399. And so I have always, all through high school, he went to all the competitions and it led to the career that he ultimately ended up in. And so every year I made robot stuff for him all through high school. So like one year for Valentine's Day, I took a Whopper box because I don't know why he likes it. I hate that candy. He loves that candy. And I turned it into a little robot and I gave it to him for Valentine's Day. Just silly little things like that. So when I saw this artwork, he's the first person I thought of. And I made this kit for him for his birthday. But it's obviously a very cute boy themed. This one, just so you know, there's a nut and a bolt. So you get this, I'm nuts and bolts over you. That was actually on his Whopper. When I did his little Whopper robot, I put that on there. And the TPC page. It's really, really cute. It's a great anytime kind of boy kit. Next up, Bear Cafe. I've been holding on to a lot of this artwork for a while, but this is one of the ones that I wanted to do. Barista. It's so cute. I love this. I love this little t-shirt with that. I would actually wear that. I like that a lot. And here's all the pages that go with this. So you've got your 8 pages for the deluxe kit. And we're getting there. And then you've got your TPC add-on page and your other add-on page with the 2 extra tall box girls and a little scene. So there is Barista. I'm sorry, Bear Cafe. Should have called it Barista. That would have been even cuter. Next up, Easter. So I wanted to do like a spring Easter. Peeps was my favorite artwork this year. So I picked it up and obviously I'm in love with it. So I used it. So cute. The colors are very pastel. It's very pretty. Very spring. And I loved like the little Easter elements in it. The Peeps, I hate Peeps, but you know what Peeps are good in? Hot chocolate. Just FYI. If you ever want to give that a try. And then I did a monthly. So here's your monthly top bar of your monthly page. Here's the page 2 of that. Then we've got your normal add-on stuff. Not add-on, sorry. This is not add-on. This comes in the monthly extras. And then here's your sidebar. And then there's your TPC page and your extra boxes with the Hello Spring double box. So there's that. I'm sorry that they're barking in the background if you can hear them. Let's trying to avoid that by trying to do this quickly. This is my favorite one for the month. I want to show this one first. This is the monthly view. So this one is called Summer Garden. The colors are fantastic. It is so pretty. So beautiful. Ugh, look at that. So this is the monthly. This would be so perfect for like May or June. It's just beautiful. And I picked the Summer Garden. I think it's technically in like the spring like group of artworks that you'll see, but I don't know anybody in the spring who has full vegetable gardens ready to go. So I look at this more like a summer garden thing because this is definitely stuff that's been growing all through the spring and is ready to start harvesting. So I'm calling it a summer garden. Although I do know that some people, I think the actual name of the kit of the artwork is Spring Garden, but nope, didn't call it that. This is just unbelievable. This artwork is gorgeous. One of my new favorite artists. I'm going to try to pick up more from her as it comes out. Things that, you know, things that I can make kits out of. Here's your add-on page with all your double scene boxes and your tall boxes and your TPC. My absolute favorite. This is my number 1 right here for this March. For this release, this is my number 1. For the February release, Brains was my number 1. And this one I made because my little Raina is turning 1. You probably already know that because I can't stop telling everybody because I absolutely love her. But Toy Story was one of her favorite movies for like from the beginning. I mean, still to this day, if you put Toy Story on, you will have her attention for the entire movie. She loves Toy Story, all of the Toy Stories. So because it's her birthday this month, her first birthday, I wanted to make a kit that screams Raina. And this one definitely does. So I picked all this. This was my favorite version of the Toy Story art. There are some other artists out there that did the Toy Story art, but this was my favorite version of it. So I am using this one. Here's your TPC page and your add-on page. Look at this. This is so stinking cute. I love these big double boxes. And then I found this online and I thought I had to have a double box of this with the Friends. Son of a Building Block. One of my favorite things that he says. And I don't know about this. Always like the scared spoon. Anyway, it's super cute. So there is everything. That's everything. I'm done. So this is everything that I have available for you for the month of March. The TPC sale begins on the 10th. My shop, the Scrappy Fox shop, which will be linked below, is 25% off during the sale. The code will go live on the 10th on the TPC. If you're not a part of the TPC Facebook group, the code goes up an hour early than everybody else, but it will be posted on Instagram and I'll have a banner when it's available for you, it'll be a banner at the top of the shop page. So anyway, thanks guys so much for stopping by. Really, really appreciate it. Hope you guys like all of this. Tell me what your favorite is. Tell me what you're thinking that you want this month, and I will see you again soon with the plan with me. I think that's what's coming up next. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.